So my wife was mad at the fact that I had no sense of direction. So I packed my stuff up and right. What do you call somebody with no body and no nose? Nobody knows. Raise your chin up. Nobody knows. Serena, you see those trees out there?
Yeah.
I don't trust them. They look kind of shady. Did you hear about the one where the pretzel walked down the alleyway?
No.
He was assaulted. What do you call 99 white guys chasing after one black guy?
What?
The 2004 PGA Tour, silly. Tiger Woods, y'all.
I thought you was gonna say downtown Denver.
Raise your chin up here. Raise your chin up. Do you know how you track Will Smith in the snow? You gotta follow the Fresh Prince.
That's a good one.
Why do they call it a chicken coop?
No idea.
'Cause if it had 4 doors, it'd be a chicken sedan.
Hands up. Do you know what you call a poor Santa Claus?
No, what?
St. Nicholas.
Oh, yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Yep. Can't have a nickel. My son the other day said, "Can I have a bookmark?" I was kind of disappointed in him because after 3 years, you'd think he knew that my name is Randy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then Mark.
So my wife was mad at me the other day. She just said I'm directionally challenged. So I got up and right. I once dated this girl. She was cross-eyed. It didn't really work out though because we never saw eye to eye. It's because I think she was seeing somebody on the side. Do you know how the moon cuts my hair?
How?
He clips it. If April showers bring Mayflowers, what do Mayflowers bring? Pilgrims. Everyone's like, no, that's so stupid. Okay, raise your chin up. Do you know why pirates can't recite the alphabet? Because they always get lost at sea.
Oh.
Do you know why Han Solo didn't eat his steak?
No.
It was chewy.
Come here, you big coward. Chewy, come
You know, the cringe is what it's all about, so.
So the other day, my son Leo said, "Hey Dad, can I have a bookmark?" You know, I just looked at him and I was really disappointed because you think after 3 years, you know that my name was Randy.
Right? It's a horrible joke. So bad.
Okay, raise your chin up. Do you know I had Jesus quit playing hockey? You can't play it. That wasn't even the joke.
I know, but like it's... What is it?
He was tired of getting nailed to the boards.
Oh my God, Randy.
How do you make a Kleenex stand?
Sneeze it?
You put a little boogie in it.
Did you hear the rumor about butter?
No.
Well, I'm not gonna spread it.
Those bad jokes, huh?
That was so stupid, huh?